Yeah, I told you you'll be needing, of course, oil pan. Yeah, one of those things to catch the oil. You one of these little socket oil filter remover. It's I think it's 1 1/4, 32 millimeter. A screwdriver, one of these little thingamajiggers, a ratchet, 3/8. I think is what you need, but I had to use that adjustment because I broke my other one. A couple extensions and then a 15 millimeter for the oil plug. I'm gonna go with the SDP 10,000 miles. I'm gonna try it out, see how it goes. I'm using that Pennzoil 5W30. It is a Dexos, so should work good. And like I said, once you get it loose, watch out, it's gonna be coming out. Oh snap! There it is. Gonna let it drain out. Keep an eye on it. Don't want it to splash everywhere. Damn it. Alrighty, clean your bolt. Make sure it's nice and clean. Wait for this thing to drain out. It's gonna take a minute. Yeah, almost. Once it drains out all the way, put the bolt back on, and it's done. It's up to I think next we're just replace the filter, tighten it up, put the oil, then start it up, check for leaks. Yep, grab your filter, all set up, and insert it in there. Oh snap! Just made a little spill. It's all good. It'll burn off. And tighten it. Made a little mess. No problem. Yeah. Put your dipstick in. Looks like you gotta tighten this up a little bit more. Okay, shouldn't have left the tools in the sun. Oh man, blazing hot. Man, this stuff is hot. Alright. Tighten it a little bit. Nah, you gotta tighten it all the way up. Down to it. Yep, right about there. Take your tools off. Suspensions. Make sure everything's buttoned up. And start to pour the oil in. Trapper doesn't want to stay. Oh snap. That's not gonna work good. Oh no, oh no. Yeah, still happens. That's just foam. Once you blend everything up, get your oil, start pouring it in there. Oh, yeah. And that is that. Save your old container, the old one, take it back to the auto shop. I mean, your auto parts store. Boom, you're done. Clean it up a little bit. Put your oil cap back on. So yeah, that's how you change the oil. It's not that bad. It's pretty easy. Just get all your tools, get it done. In and out. Alright, peace.